Sunday, everybody. You should know us by now. If not, it's myself.
Laura, hi.
Talented Miss Laura. I didn't have to say her name first, so that's good. Her and I are going to share with you something we teach twice a month here in Herndon, Virginia, Little West Coast Swing. So if you didn't come, this is an opportunity for you to learn a new move and try when you were dancing. But if you did come, thank you. And come back and watch it if you want to remember. It's the best way to keep these sequences in your brain. This is a sequence never shown in Herndon before. It starts out pretty unusual. So we're going to begin going this direction. On the shoulder push, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to move slightly over to Laura's left for the first 3 steps. It's just walk, walk, walk. And you're going to make her come forward. We're just going to do the first 3 steps and then stop. So after the shoulder push, 3, 4, 5, and 6, we're going to go 1, 2, 3. All right. Pulling Laura forward, and you're making her turn to her right. And you're going to use primarily her left hand to do so, which is my right. You can use this hand to begin on 1, 2. So I go 1, 2, and then I push her onto her right foot, and I'm just taking my 3 steps, doing a quarter turn to my left, and I'm stopping her left arm. Her right arm with my left. So we'll go this direction so you can see how I stop the arm. 3, 4, 5, and 6. I go 1, 2, and I push. So on her right foot, I'm on my left foot. We'll just go this direction. So you can see, get off the track. It's a very quick move, but it's a very cool move. 1, 2, 3. All right, we'll just keep going this way. 4 is you're going to put her back onto the opposite foot. Guys are going to rock back on yours as well. So we're going to just add 4 to that. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm on my right now. Laura's on her left. But from there, it's a series of triples for her to get out of the movement. So we'll just do the ending and then show you how we did that. So after a shoulder push, 5 and 6, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So there's a turn. You're going to give her a little insistence with her in the middle part of her lower back just to get her back to the other side of the track. So we're going to get to 3. Let's just get to 3 first. Here at the end. 3. So 1, 2, 3. Now I'm using this hand, but I'm also using both. So put her back onto her left foot on 4. You don't need this left hand anymore. Take your right hand, triple, and triple. So give her a push, smooth. Guys, you're doing your footwork on the side, and you're doing it so she's not going to get hit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay, just get out of her way. We'll go this way. So it's a really nice, smooth move. Guys, you're taking your right arm primarily. 1, 2, I push, I pull forward, center back through. Okay, I'm taking my right arm clockwise, circular motion for the push. That's the move. So we'll do one more time, a little bit faster. Shoulder push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now there's another way to get out of it. It's all the same, up to 4. So after shoulder push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to make her turn again, but this time 3 and 4, but then come up in the closed position. That way you don't give her a free turn. You're going to end up getting it closed and do something else. So here it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then a tuck. Whatever you want to do. Okay? We'll do it this direction just to show you that with the connection at the end. So you have 2 ways to do the same move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Closed position. 1, 2, tuck. All right, last time with just the first move, we're done. Thank you if you came tonight, guys. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Hope you like it, guys. Hope you use it. That's someone I've been using for a while. She likes it, gotta use it.
It's nice. It's really such a nice rotation.
Remember to click that subscribe button, that like button, so you'll get a new move every time we share something with you. That's why I do it. That's why Laura helps me to do it. She loves dancing as well. Until next time, you have a great weekend. As always, keep dancing.